Hi, welcome to the Purposeful Learning Room. I just wanted to show you some of the charts that we do. Of course, we do it according to our letters that we're learning. And then I have my Fruit of Spirit chart with eraser markers, and I created an eraser board with just some paint. You can even buy some lead paint. This is like erasable paint I bought from Amazon, which I can leave a link below. What I did was I created a bio for both of the girls. I think this was a really neat idea to get them more introduced to the idea of being a speaker, and knowing who they are and how to present themselves. So in the morning, like during breakfast, they will read it and memorize it. And I just pasted like a picture that I found for them, and they read it. She smudged. Well, so one of them just was smudging all over it. The other one is still up there. They practice it. They memorize it, and tell somebody, their sisters or myself, about themselves in a short, quick, easy blurb. And I think it's something that really will work for your children as well, so that they really know how to introduce themselves and be talking about who they are. And I really make it God centered so they could talk about what God is doing in their life. So these are where I basically do my lessons, a mini lesson. I would put a chart up and I would just basically teach. And under here is where I do my, oopsie, okay, I can't see, spelling and vocabulary and tricky words. This is where we do our Latin, our English, our Latin, there, our English, our geography, and our English, and our history, and our timeline. So I know it looks small, but usually they are really close up and we're going only Latin, and we'll teach the Latin sounds. Then we teach the history. It's a question. And then the timeline. We'll do the English. It's phrase and clause that they were going over, the geography. And that was it. They practiced the tricky words using spelling activities. And we're about to switch books. So vocabulary has been erased, so I can put up new vocabulary and spelling words. So I teach classical conversations, so this is where my timeline comes in. This is where my history, Latin, English grammar comes in, my geography grammar. Yes, I make sure that they try to get some studies in before our co-op, which is once a week. So I hope you like it. This was really, really a fun way of teaching during the morning. And it's quick, it's fun, and it's erasable so that they get to practice on the board as well. Although I don't actually allow it to be like erasable. I buy like erasable boards for them to write on. I try to make this more of a monthly thing. The only thing I erase is their spelling and vocabulary, and the classical conversations, week by week curriculum. But I don't really want them to write on it. As you can tell, they do try to get their writing in there. I hope you enjoyed. This is a fun way of doing your mini lessons at home. Okay, God bless you. Bye.